Hello viewers, I have updated to the latest version of iOS, that is 17.5, and I am using this smartphone for 3 days with this update. A lot of users actually want to know about the performance of this iOS 17.5 because iPhone 13 is generally out of warranty for most users, so they are very cautious before updating it to the latest version. They asked me about the heating issue and the camera and also about the battery life. In this video I will talk about the battery life, about the cameras, about the HDR performance of the display, and also about the battery life and the heating issue. iOS 17.5 doesn't bring green line or black screen issue. I can enjoy HDR videos on YouTube. You can see that HDR content is playing very well. So in terms of display problem, there is no problem with this iOS 17.5 update. However, it is also possible that you may face green line or black screen issue after updating it to the latest version, so be cautious about that. Before this update, my iPhone's battery health was 87%, and after this update you can see that the battery level is the same, that is 87%. During my 3 days usage, I have noticed that the heating issue that I had encountered before 17.4.1 had vanished, and also the camera quality is as good as it was before. iPhone's camera naturally tends to produce natural photos. In this case also there is no exception. iPhone 13 is taking very good photos and also in videography, and I tested the slow motion video in 240 fps, and I can show you that the stabilization is excellent and also the details is very good, so there is no problem whatsoever in camera department. Then I tested 120 fps slow-mo video, and I found that in 120 fps slow-mo video also the footage came out excellent. There is no loss of details and you can expect good amount of details in this slow-mo video. You can use that in your video footage wherever you want to use. Then I tested the natural bokeh effect, and you can see that I am taking this picture in normal photo mode, and in this case also it produces a very good background bokeh effect. So then I tested the portrait mode, and in portrait mode there is a hit and miss as there is no dedicated telephoto lens, so you cannot expect high quality bokeh effect from this iPhone 13. In this case also you can see that some part of the leaves are actually blurred, though it shouldn't be blurred. Then I tested it on another tree. In this case also I can see that the blur effect is not good. It actually failed to blur the background. Some part behind the leaves are actually unblurred, so it makes the photo very weird. So you need a very good background separation before taking this shot. When I used the camera for about 15 minutes, I noticed that the area behind the camera tends to heat up. So if you use the camera in outdoor condition, the phone will heat up, so you need to cool it down by keeping it aside for some times. So as of now I am enjoying iOS 17.5 update, but I will not suggest you to update to the latest version if your iPhone is out of warranty, because you might face the black screen or green line issue. Did you update your iPhone to the latest version? Let me know in the comment sections below, and if you have any question regarding this update, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. Thank you.